Durgis Gupta here. I come up with yet another SaaS application, TejSMM platform that I have created. So let's dive into this is the home page, and the application is all about managing social media accounts with the help of AI. You can create content, you can schedule them, and you can post on different supported social media channels. Like we have supports for the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok. So let's sign in. I have created one dummy account for myself for demonstration purpose. So I already have linked with different of my channels. So they are all linked up. So let's get into the straight into how you can create a content. You can how you can create schedule the post. So while creating the post for the for any particular social media, you have to first create a identity, a brand. A brand actually holds the identity of your post, which will be all about. So a brand which we have a wizard in a chat box like interface, you can create a brand. So if you have a brand like this, like ABC News, and we are a news channel. You can put up the discussion what is this brand is all about, what it offers. So we are a news agency offering a worldwide news on our website. Uh, oh, okay. So required a minimum 20 character and maximum words. Okay, so let's type deeper. We can actually borrow this. We cover news from politics, economics, sports, etc. Okay, so it asks you to create a logo if you have. You can ask to generate. Will just create a sample logo, and you can customize the color appearance if you like. Now let's find what brand do you have, what type of brand do you have. So currently we have a pre sample this kind of brand category we have made. So you can create always a brand category for yourself. So here more category will be added soon. So I just now just I'm just trying to edit art, basically design develop. Now let's uncheck them and art. So yeah, though okay, so the brand has been created. So it's all about just a sample. You can edit all yourself the brand identity. Brand identity means that you have created a one persona for creating the content for different channels. So now we jump to the content. Here in the calendar, you can actually pick up any date, and you can even just select the brand you have created. So ABC News, uh, India News, India News. I just typing this and generate post. So AI will actually what it will do is actually based on the input that you have provided in the title and the descriptions, and based on the brand that you have selected with pre-filled prompts like what is it all about. So it has created content, ready-made content. So as you can see, this is the our very intuitive interface to create content for those different social media channels. So I already have linked Facebook, Instagram, X, and LinkedIn platform. So for each of the platform, these platforms, you can actually customize your content. You can you have these kinds of control. You can blocks that you can actually they can help you to design your content. So there is a design, then there is a text, then there is an input for images, and then there is a videos. So all you can actually utilize for your composing the post for the different social media channels. Once you have done it, actually you have to just select them, so you can actually post them basically. So let's say I've selected this, and I'm going to publish it. So set changes, publish it. You can schedule it for the later. So I can schedule for tomorrow, and that's it. Schedule and close. So back back to the dashboard, and you can see that it is scheduled for the tomorrow. So since this is a dummy, I can actually delete it. I even come back to make some modifications as well, and save the changes once it. So that's it. It's all about actually creating the content with the help of AI, and then scheduling the post for different connected platforms, social platforms, and pretty much it. That's it. So this is the just a demonstration. You can experience it on TejSMM.com. I put up the links in the description. You can check it out. And furthermore, if you need any help to onboard yourself on the platform, or you want to have something similar application, or you want to custom applications developments in Laravel or anything related to the web development, you can contact me. I will put up the contact details in the descriptions. You can also have similar kind of SaaS businesses for your self. You can start your different kind of SaaS businesses. I have plenty of business ideas, so I put up the link of in the description. So let's get connected for the future prospects. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for the future updates. Thank you so much.